OnePlus's latest flagship TWS is here and it has undergone a full design makeover. But has the quality improved too? That's what we're here to find out in my OnePlus Buds Pro 3 review. The case has gone from a suitcase shape to more of a pebble design, like its sister company Oppo's TWS earphones. But that's not even the major change. It's this gorgeous faux leather texture on the front and back that really makes the OnePlus Buds Pro 3 stand out. But note that this is not actual leather, just plastic made to look like leather. So would it be more premium if actual vegan leather was used? Yes, but this is a start. The circumference of the case has a metallic look with a matte finish. The OnePlus logo in all of its minimalist glory is very classy as well. The OnePlus Buds Pro 3 are available in two colors, Midnight Opus and Lunar Radiance. There is an LED indicator on the bottom to indicate charging status, one on the inside to indicate battery percentage, and a discrete pairing button on the side. Now, the first thing I noticed about the case is that it is very heavy. It's also heavier than the bulky looking Sony WF-1000XM4, and that's saying something. So get ready to have it way down your pants. What's good is the magnets inside the case. They are extremely strong. Let's test it. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. The earbuds themselves look premium with its matte plus glossy design. The fit was excellent for me. It doesn't budge, but the pressure controls are just a little bit lacking in terms of tactility for me, even though they are pretty accurate. It's just not satisfying enough. But a bonus is you've got swipe controls for volumes, which works pretty well, save for some misreadings. The OnePlus Buds Pro 3 has nearly every single feature a modern TWS in 2024 should have. From spatial sound to app support with loads of customizations, you've got it all. The Hey Melody app, which is available on both Android and iOS, allows access to most of these features. You can toggle ANC, activate Smart Adaptive ANC, or completely turn it off. The ANC quality is pretty good for the price. It far exceeds the ANC quality of the Nothing Ear 2024 and the Oppo Enco X2. Even human voices are silent to quite a good degree. The app also allows you to customize the sound using a 6-band EQ, which is nice, and there are also several presets you can try. There's also a bass wave slider that ups the bass response, but it made the sound really muddy, so I kept it at 0. Other features like golden sound, game mode, multi-point or dual connection, and earbud fit test can also be accessed via the app. There's also spatial audio, like I told you, and this time OnePlus has switched to Google Spatial Audio technology. But turning spatial audio with head tracking on made the sound a bit distorted. Fixed is much better. It gives you a wider soundstage without the distortion. You can also customize all the controls via the app, giving users a lot of freedom to change up their controls according to their own preferences. Other features on the earbuds include Google Fast Pair, wireless charging, and on-ear detection. The OnePlus Buds Pro 3 doesn't just upgrade its looks, it also overhauls its hardware. Like its predecessor, it has DIN audio tuning and dual drivers, which include an 11mm woofer and a 6mm tweeter. But this time it ups the ante by upgrading the drivers and adding not one but 2 DACs per earbud. This enhances the instrument separation since one DAC works on the tweeter alone while the other is focused on the woofer. The buds support SBC, AAC and LHDC 5.0 audio codecs. But support for LDAC and aptX would be preferable as they are more easily available across devices. Now the sound signature is V-shaped with full-bodied lows and sparkly highs. The 250 to 500 Hz mid-range section sees a dip, as you can see in the frequency graph, which introduces some auditory masking in the mids. So male vocals and instruments that lie in this range can sound a bit quieter. The Oppo Enco X2 sounds a bit more refined, but the sound is very similar to the Nothing Ear 2024 and is actually better than the Moto Buds Plus. I particularly like the attack of the bass and the clarity in the upper mids. The soundstage is decent for in-ears, but it does get a boost with spatial audio. And the imaging and instrument separation are excellent. Overall, the OnePlus Buds Pro 3 are sonically impressive. As for the call quality, the buds use 3 mics, a bone-conducting voice pickup sensor, and AI algorithms to get the best possible quality. Take a listen for yourself. This is a microphone test from the OnePlus Buds Pro 3. What do you think about the sound? Let us know in the comments. Moving on to battery life, there's some serious improvement here. The buds have a playtime of 10 hours with AAC codec active and ANC off. The case also allows for another 3 full charges, giving you a total playtime of 43 hours as per OnePlus. If you turn ANC on, the earbuds last 6 hours and the total battery life goes down to 25.5 hours according to OnePlus. In my tests where AAC and ANC were active, the earbuds lasted a solid 6.2 hours on a single charge, which is excellent. It's safe to say that you won't need to charge these on a regular basis, maybe once a week. Additionally, there's fast charge and wireless charging support, which is great. So how does the OnePlus Buds Pro 3 stack up? On the surface, they've got a sleek new design with that faux leather look that definitely adds a touch of class. Not just that, the Buds Pro 3 also deliver fantastic sound quality thanks to the upgraded drivers and dual DACs. The audio experience is immersive and vibrant, making every track sound alive. The improved battery life is another win and the ANC is effective too. However, there are a couple of areas where they could improve. The case, while stylish, is a bit on the heavier side. Additionally, while the ANC and spatial audio features are strong, spatial audio with head tracking can introduce some distortion. These are small nitpicks though. Overall, the OnePlus Buds Pro 3 offer a great mix of design, sound quality and battery life. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do these buds check your boxes? And don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tech reviews. See you! Sorry.
Just a thing. Excuse me.